Hey, it's me, Leah, and we're going to talk about this 3-in-1 facial cleanser. I'm super excited to give this a try. I purchased this. This is a deep, intensive cleansing option, daily use and gentle, and a blackhead remover. It's like an all-in-one for your face. So let's open this up and check it out. This is such a neat product to have, and I'm so happy that I purchased it. First, it's rechargeable. I have to give it a nice charge. It's been a while. You have your clean, your light. So you have your light therapy, and then remove, right? So that's going to remove those blackheads. It gives you, this is like a pumice stone and your different brush heads. This is like to rub in those serums. The other brush head, another nice cleaning head, and it looks absolutely beautiful. I love this color. And then it also includes all these little suction things so that it'll pull the blackheads out of your face. It's super easy to connect. So you just take the little cap off right here, and each brush head does something different, and then you just pop this on, take that off. And there you go, right? Look at that. And the different size heads also controls like the suction. So then you would just like, oh, it actually pulled out just a little bit, and it kind of gives you light. So I'm just gonna go over my nose. This is like my problem area. As you can see, it just actually pulled a few of the blackheads right there off the tip of my nose. It just took a couple seconds. It comes with all the attachments that you need. Great for having like your own little spa treatment in the house. I'm happy with this purchase. I can't wait to go in to give myself a nice deep spa facial at home with this. This is super lightweight, and I highly recommend this.